Oh, hey, you're our server? I'm Bob. This is Phyllis. We'll be your customers. Hey, you have a senior discount here, right? Not for me. It's for my mom. Now we'll take 2 iced teas and I'll have a half rack of ribs. What do you do with the other half? Do you eat it? I see a little sauce on here.
And I'll have...
What do you do besides this? Oh, nursing student. Could you have a look at this growth on my back?
Honey, no.
Well, they need the practice.
Sorry.
Yeah. All right. By the way, we don't have any money. Is it okay if Phyllis washes dishes in the back?